7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be looking at Ethereum, how to prepare for the bear market. How should we prepare for the bear market if we're in a bear market, and what has Ethereum done in the previous bear market? Should you be holding some Ethereum through the bear market, and when should you be accumulating some Ethereum? Guys, in this video we're looking at the Ethereum price chart. We'll look at the Ethereum market cap chart, also look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin. We'll take a peek at Ethereum dominance chart, and then look at total crypto market cap chart, and then we'll look at the Bitcoin price chart and why we should actually take Bitcoin really seriously during the bear market. We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, the total crypto market is still in red, and we have been dumping for a while right now. We have been dumping for at least 4-5 months since when the whole market tops in November 2021. We have been dumping, and right now we're in May 2022, and the market is in extreme fear every day. Day on day in, day out, day in, we're in extreme fear. So we know that we're probably in a bearish period of the market. Now the question is, are we in a bear market? Guys, let's look at what Ethereum has done in the previous bear market. You can see Ethereum here was launched in 2015. The first people that had it dumped it 86%, and after that Ethereum went on a monster run. Ethereum went from as low as $0.42 to as high as $1,400 in just 819 days. Now after that, what did Ethereum do in the bear market? Ethereum actually dumped over 94% before the market actually bottomed. Ethereum dumped over 94%, and guys, just for context sake, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. So after Bitcoin is Ethereum. Ethereum dropped 94% in the bear market before it went on the bull run. Now let's look at Bitcoin. What did Bitcoin do in the bear market in 2017, 2018 bear market? What did Bitcoin do in that bear market, guys? Bitcoin went from as high as 20,000 to as low as 3,100, but you can see that Bitcoin only dropped 83%. Ethereum dropped 94% in the bear market. If we're in a bear market right now, should we be holding some Ethereum? Because I believe we're in a bear market. I'll be showing you why I believe we're in a bear market. If we use the Fibonacci extension tool on Ethereum's price chart, use the Fibonacci extension tool on Ethereum's price chart, you go to the top of the Ethereum previous bull run to the bottom of the market for Ethereum. If you do that for Ethereum's price chart, guys, you can see that Ethereum has gotten to as high as its 3.618 line on the Fibonacci extension tool. Now Ethereum can go and set a new all-time high at over $5,700. It can actually do that. It can just turn on itself and pump and set a new all-time high. That's not out of the realms of possibility. But guys, if you put into context that the whole condition is very, very bearish, BTC is bearish, the Fed is trying to increase rates, and the whole global economy, stocks are tanking, all those things put into consideration. And if you put into consideration that from Ethereum, from the bottom of Ethereum right here, Ethereum was as low as $83, and Ethereum pumped to as high as $4,800. That was a 5,600% return on your investment. Guys, a $1,000 investment in Ethereum at the bottom of the market here would have returned over 56,000 at the top of the market right here. That's the opportunity you get at the bear market. Now, except you are in the school of thought that the bull run will continue, there will not be a bear market. This time is different. We're not going to see a bear market. We'll continue pumping to the moon, which is not possible, and we have to experience bearish action at some point in time. Guys, if you look at this Ethereum price chart from the point of 4 phases of a market cycle, now let's look at where's the accumulation period for Ethereum. This was the bottom of the market here. This is the accumulation period for Ethereum. This is the place you could have gotten your cheapest Ethereum. These two sides. This was the accumulation phase for Ethereum. Even up to this side, let's just assume all this area was the accumulation phase for Ethereum. Now, after the accumulation phase in a market comes the markup phase. Markup phase is where it goes up very, very quickly in price, and that's what happened to Ethereum here. Ethereum went up over 2,200% in just about a year. That was very crazy for Ethereum in just about a year. And look at the accumulation period. Accumulation period almost took how many days? It almost took more than a year plus. The accumulation period took more than a year plus. You can see that the markup phase just took less than a year. It went up over 20x. Now, after the markup phase, what happened is the distribution phase. Look at that. We have been in distribution for more than a year right now. After the distribution phase, guys, comes the markdown phase. And after the markdown phase comes another accumulation phase. So now we're experiencing the markdown phase. So that's why I actually kind of believe we're in the bear market. If you look at it, that Ethereum is up 50x from the bottom, you can actually see that we're really high. And so we need that markdown phase so that we can go on another bull run. If you expect to see $10,000 Ethereum, $20,000 Ethereum in the future, at some point in time, we need to dump a little. We need to shed a little weight. A lot of people have been speculating on Ethereum for a while. Guys, if you look at the Ethereum market cap chart, it is actually almost like the price chart, but it's a difference. If you use the Fibonacci extension tool on the Ethereum market cap chart, go to the top of the previous bull run for the Ethereum market cap chart to the bottom of the bear market for Ethereum market cap chart, guys, you can see that on the market cap chart, it hits the perfect extension. On the market cap chart, Ethereum got to the top right here. So that's why it's leading me to believe that we're probably in an Ethereum bear market, because the market cap chart is showing us the valuation of Ethereum and showing us that it has gotten to the max value. And we might wonder why the market cap chart got to the full extension and the price chart did not get to the full extension. Guys, it's because new Ethereums are coming into circulation. Guys, it's because new Ethereums are coming into circulation, and as coming into circulation, they are priced at the current value of Ethereum at that point in time. But you can see that the market cap chart is showing us the value of all Ethereum in circulation. And this Fibonacci extension tool is actually very important. Just think about how crazy it is that the market cap chart hit this extension perfectly, and now we're dumping. And that's after, on the market cap chart, that's after a how many percent pump? After a 6,400% pump from the bottom. Really crazy for Ethereum. Ethereum is really high in valuation. If you're saying Ethereum will continue going to $10,000, that means you're saying Ethereum's market cap will probably go to around $1 trillion, because Ethereum didn't get to $5,000 and the market cap is over 500 billion. So if you think that Ethereum will probably pump from 200 billion right now to $1 trillion, that's a 5x return. Is it possible? Guys, it's very possible. This is crypto, anything is possible. But from the bottom of the market, that will mean Ethereum pumped over 117,000%. Is that also possible? Yes, it's possible. Ethereum has done it before. But what will make Ethereum actually go high in that value? The first pump Ethereum had was over 429,000%. So what will make Ethereum go up over 117,000%? I don't know. Maybe the merge coming up for Ethereum. But guys, it looks like we're in the bear market, because if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin looks like in the bear market. Bitcoin has gone on its own full run. So if you go to Bitcoin price chart and use the Fibonacci extension to learn it from the top of the Bitcoin bull run to the bottom of the market, guys, you notice that Bitcoin too got to that 3.618 region, the same place Ethereum got to. And Bitcoin too, look at that 4 phases of the market cycle. Bitcoin has gone through accumulation right here, and then Bitcoin went through the markup phase. Then Bitcoin is going through distribution right now. What happens after distribution, guys? The downward phase. That's the bear market. You can see it happened in 2000. You can see that it happened in 2018. This was the bear market. There was always going to be a bear market. In 2018, the distribution was not very long. We had a parabolic ending. This time around, it looks like we didn't have a parabolic ending, and the market makers actually played the market very well. We didn't have that. The whole euphoria was here when they were doing laser eyes, diamond hands. Everything was up. Only all the altcoins were going to the moon. That was the height of the market. I don't see this November high as all season. If you look at, I don't see this November high as still in the bull run. It looks as if we're in the bear market. It looks as if maybe Bitcoin was destined to probably shoot to like $75,000 at first shot, but the market makers conveniently tricked the market, because guys, what are the odds that the market actually tops the day Coinbase actually IPO? And if you look at the Ethereum Bitcoin valuation, you can see that it looks as if Ethereum is losing valuation against Bitcoin. And anytime Ethereum starts doing this, it looks like Ethereum has topped against Bitcoin. If you use the Fibonacci extension tool on Ethereum against Bitcoin, from the last high that Ethereum had, which was in January 2018, this was the top of Ethereum 2018. You can see that Ethereum has gotten to as high as the 702 retracement on Bitcoin. It couldn't cross it. Looks like it's coming down against Bitcoin. And guys, going in the bear market for Bitcoin, Ethereum will be losing value against Bitcoin. How do you know that? The Bitcoin dominance is actually increasing. If you actually go to the Bitcoin dominance, guys, you can see that Bitcoin dominance is actually increasing, which is bad for all coins, Ethereum included. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2